This is a 1962 Plymouth Savoy two-door. As a factory race car, has a 413 max wedge, and you can read some of the details involved in its history here. It actually really was a race car. Ultra high compression. There are the details. Amazing car, and obviously built for lightweight and speed. That engine is a beautiful thing to behold. And the car looks like it just came from the factory, really. Dog dish hubcaps, basic upholstery, but very utilitarian. It's got the 4-shift, very businesslike dash with the tack. Just an amazing car. You don't get to see these at the usual car show, and this is at Big Daddy Don Garlitz's Mopar car show. If you want to see something interesting, original, and not seen at all anywhere else, you go to his car show by his Museum of Speed just south of Ocala, just off of Interstate 75. That's a nice color too. I like the color. I can only imagine what it sounds like. It's a real beauty.